Hi, this is Shupriyo. Another day, another notification. So the IBPS Clerk 2021 notification is finally out, and this is actually great news. Now we can be sure that this is also another examination that is lined up, and we have some good amount of vacancies. So let's talk a little bit about the vacancies first. So we will see that lots of zero are there, and then there are lots of NR, right? So the not reported vacancies, there are lots of them actually. So many big banks like Punjab National Bank, Bank of Baroda, they have actually not declared their vacancies, and still we have more than 5800 vacancies. So you can understand that this year we are going to have some bumper vacancies, and lots of vacancies will be added. So you do not have to worry. Please do not worry if your state does not have adequate number of vacancies. Just wait a little bit longer. You still have a few more days left before the application form actually ends, so you can just hold off, and then when you see the addition of more vacancies, you can then make a call which state you are going to apply from. So definitely don't worry. I think this time it's pretty certain that we might cross 10,000 vacancies. Even last time we started off very late, but we actually had a lot of vacancies added on later on. And so let's talk about the timelines first. So the online registration link, it opens up from today. You can apply till 1st of August. So you have ample number of days. Please do not hurry, just wait it out and see all the additional information, and then you can make a call as to which state you are going to apply from. Remember, whichever state you are applying, you need to be conversant with the local language of that state, and you also have to be working in that state, right? And what's the salary going to be? Salary is around 32,000, something like that. So around 30k salary, and of course there are a little bit perks, but around 30k, it's not really advisable to change your state. If you can apply from your own state, that is much more advisable, but the call is yours. Once you see the vacancies, you can understand. And so the payment of application fees, this is the time frame. You will be having the preliminary examination from 28th August, so 28, 29 and 4th September. So this is our tentative time frame, and I think that most likely this time frame is going to be honored. So you have the SBIJ mains exam coming up, and you also have the RRB examinations, the RRB PO and clerk, and now the IBPS clerk also you have to do. So don't worry about the multiple exams, because most of them are going to have the same kind of pattern, right? So you don't have to worry about that. Just prepare in the same way. Just ensure that you are doing mock tests. That is the best way by which you are going to prepare, and definitely a strategy video I will be bringing out if you want that. So after a few days we'll talk about the strategy and the results. Okay, September or October, and finally the online main examination 31st October. And remember, there is no interview. That's the great thing about the IBPS clerk examination. So 31st October, I think it's a ample number of days that you have. So please make sure that you properly prepare yourself, because this is a great opportunity. As I told you, 2021 is very, very important. Now that's about the timelines and your eligibility. So age has to be between 20 and 28 years. Now these are the two inclusive dates. So you have 2nd July 1993 and 1st July 2001. Your birthday has to be between these two dates, and all graduates can apply. So any disciple graduate, you can definitely apply. But remember, if you are a final year student, this is very, very imperative. By 1st August 2021, your result needs to be declared. So if your result is declared by this date, then you can apply. Otherwise you cannot apply. This is very, very important, because you have to fill the form, right? In that form you have to write down your marks and everything. So if your result comes out by this date, then you can apply. I hope that most of you will be eligible because of this clause. It's not going to prevent you. And of course the vacancies, so 5800 plus vacancies are there this time. This is actually a great news, because remember last time I think 2557 was the first level vacancies that they were declared. So 2500 odd, and now you can see more than double they have come out with, and many big banks, they have not declared their vacancies yet. So this is a great opportunity. Please take this seriously. You are going to be having a great opportunity this year around. And remember, 2022 CET is coming, so please make sure that you get the job this year. And finally, about the banks. So which are the banks that are actually participating in this recruitment process? So Bank of Baroda is there, and you see like Bank of Baroda and Punjab National Bank, these are the two banks which have not actually declared their vacancies. So big banks that have not declared, others are also there, but these are the big banks which are going to be adding a lot of vacancies. That's the news. Lot of vacancies are going to be added, so don't worry about it. So Canara Bank, Indian Overseas Bank, UCO Bank, Bank of India, Central Bank of India, Union Bank of India, Bank of Maharashtra, Indian Bank, and Punjab and Sindh Bank. So these are the banks that you have, and of course there's always news about privatization, etc., etc. Don't bother with that. Don't worry about that. You can actually select the banks. You can actually make the selection as per your choice. So you don't have to worry. You can put the big banks on top. So you can choose to have like Punjab National Bank, Canara Bank, Bank of Baroda, these at the top of your list, so that even if like privatization happens, it's not going to impact you that much. And I would not want you to worry about privatization. First worry about getting a job. That is the first thing that you should be worried about. And no interviews is a great news for the clerk examination. So you just have to clear the mains exam and you have a job. So this is a great opportunity for everybody who is a little bit shy, who's not able to speak that well. So this is a great opportunity for people who are not that good in English even. So please take this seriously. We are going to talk about a strategy in a future video. I hope that your preparation is going very well. If not, this is a wake-up call. You have to pull up your socks and you have to be fully prepared for all the examinations that are lined up in the months to come. My best wishes to you. I hope that you learned something from this video and that it was beneficial to you. If you enjoyed it, please click on the like button and share it with your friends. If you want to see more of this kind of content, please click on the subscribe button and do not forget to click the bell icon so that you, my friend, do not miss any future update. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.